กุมชิบันตาบัญญาเลบันคริงยกิสัมลาบกันรุงหากกรรมชิไปคำตำบันลงกุมกิชิไปเลี้ยงสุนหากสิทธิ์ดีจงกตะอยู่กับ Indian Air Force IAF กลับเป็นลงอยาก Air Show ฮับปงยามหากบักินงญาอีกเลี้ยงสุนยปมกลับเป็นชอบเบียอีกนงเพชรกายบาร
Yakni ke air show lawan mensakhi ulat kejela Meghalaya Phagu Chauhan Madu Menteri Rangba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat kejingidan langki he jong Indian Air Force ki he sipai bagi samla pule ka Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team SKAT kala Pynshohbiej ki padba ke air show ha ka bagal pni kejing tebet kejing shlor ba ka sap ba kejing renti ha ka ban le ki stand yaki lingsun nyapom kala kring bat Pynshohbiej ki nopit kai baro Nalor kejing Pynshohbiej jong ke SKAT kinong petkai ke leyor uban sakhi ya ke Sukhoi 30 MKI ke Rafale bat cetak cita helikopter hak air show. Kene ke air show kelas dang nampak Dogra, Jorhat, Chabua, Itanagar, Tezpur bat lapan kot no Hashelong. Da kejing temu banai mensiem bat ban penslur ya ke samla begin rong hak kam sipai bat ajing syakri ya ke ri berok kawai.
Wishing everyone a very happy Women's Day. There comes our Cupid, Wing Commander Alok, drawing an arrow through the heart.
Today's air show has happened over this lake was primarily planned to motivate the youth, and we are carrying out these displays in this display cycle, which is the 5th display cycle of our team in the northeast. We started from Bagdogra, then Jorhat, Chabua, then Itanagar, Tezpur, and now in Shillong. And this is the end of our display cycle. We will be going back to our base, where we will be again training for the next cycle. And thanks to the entire crowd which came today to witness our show. Thank you.
Is Meghalaya rough terrain like this Umiam Lake? How is the experience like? Is it a rough terrain for the crew to fly over here?
Okay, this is a challenging terrain because you can see there are a lot of mountains, and normally when we perform a show, it is performed in area, or when we train in a normal area which is not so hilly. So when we come here, we have to do first sortie, which is called a mapping sortie, wherein only 2 aircraft at a time come. They fly over this terrain and see the highest obstruction, and then they decide a profile. And you can see, there are a lot of mountains in front on this side. So we have to change our axis of all the maneuvers so that the audience which is sitting out here can get the maximum out of the entire show. So it takes a lot of effort. By coming here, we come do a mapping sortie, then we do a practice sortie which happened day before yesterday, and this is the final show. I hope you must have enjoyed the show and our efforts will have reached you. Thank you.
Being women, and today being International Women's Day, and the show was definitely a good one. What is your message for today?
I think this would be one of the most memorable International Women's Day celebration that we have witnessed here. And in the Indian Armed Forces, the best part about this uniform is that once you wear it, then you are not seen as a woman or a man, you are just seen as a soldier. So this is the message that we also wish to pass on to the youth of the nation, that they should definitely get inspired and want to join the Indian Armed Forces and help us in serving our nations. And once again, wish you all a very happy Women's Day.
It's a commitment. When you join the forces and wear the uniform, it is a commitment that you make to yourself that yes, for everything and anything, we are going to be serving the nation, no matter what and where. So it is not gender biased, it's totally gender neutral. So on this International Women's Day, as she rightly brought out, it is one of the historic and an amazing celebration wherein we have seen the power of the Indian Air Force, the power and the reach of the Indian Air Force in the Northeast, as well as the Nari Shakti on display. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best.
Okay.